Kani Gadega Patisi TV.
Dorbar Kerpang jong Khas Autonomous District Council KHDC kula long khat khandai tarik na wieng panjit chairman ka KHDC din ka jing no kam jong chairman ba mansodi nongrem klaya bet pat ban yo no the way chairman ba good leadersan nong siet hadian bala jit u klem kan no jing le persha ya ka kerteng ba good leadersan nong siet lapan pena ku chairman pathumai jong council do secretary ka KHDC ba e sang pliang hadian ba ka kanun liang persha klarai banum penyang kertong setia banya airang yakani ke syuki ke belasa thlia dien bo chairman barim ulah yar syuki no namar ba ka party kladap an sospon yu ba PNCM kumu dekhot jong seng kongres hadian ke jingpen scam yu ba nong siet kum chairman bathumai kladon ke jingelang ke belingkot ban ai khublei balai shim benta de MDC kentop UCM ba penchangan NCM.
As per notification dated 17/11/2016, the Governor has fixed the election of the new chairman of this council today, the 19th November 2016. Accordingly, two nomination papers were received by me, and after scrutiny, they were found to be in order, wherein the name of Sri L.D. Nongsi was proposed as candidate for the office of the chairman. His name was proposed by Sri J.D. Busiamoy and Sri L. Khakumur, and seconded by Sri Victor Rani and Sri D. Sumer respectively. Since Sri L.D. Nongsi is the only candidate, I, in exercise of the powers conferred upon me under Rule 32(4) of the Chapter 2 of the Assam and Meghalaya Autonomous Districts Constitution of District Councils Rules 1951, as amended, hereby declare that Sri L.D. Nongsi has been unanimously elected as the chairman of this council today. Sri L.D. Nongsi is the 24th chairman. Members who want to felicitate our new chairman may do so after he has taken over the chair. I now invite him to occupy the chair.
Kani Gadega Patisi TV.